There's one. There's one. Maybe. I don't know. Oh, he feels good, Boogie. Yes. That's a good fish, buddy. That's a good fish. Out here, Rudy Inlet. He might not make keeper. All right. Yep, there you go. Thank you, Boogie. All right. Give me some on that one, buddy. Finally, we went out to Elizabeth River. Make sure I'm recording that. Went out to Elizabeth River. We fished for about 3 hours. We didn't have a bite. Came over here to Rudy Inlet and said, let's go catch some fish. So you may need to put your trolling motor down in case we get in a bind while I'm unhooking. So we got this guy. We'll see if he's big enough. I don't think he's quite going to be keeper, but it sure was nice to get the skunk off the boat. Yeah, he's not going to be a keeper, I don't think. All right, dude. I've tried to grab him twice now. I got a, you big dummy. Just about time I get him out and he's gonna flop. I gotta roll right down here, Boogie. See what I'm looking at. I've been looking at my feet a lot. You could be a dinner fish would be all right with me.
Yeah. Right there. You're good.
All right, man. Let's open the live well. Put him right on in there.
There you go.
That's 1 of 6. Yeah, I'm curious to see if there is something over there, but the pattern has been right here in the middle. I mean, I did have one bump over there, so I think we're in the fish. It's nice having the confidence that you could catch something, you know? There he is. Well, I had it laying there. What is that? Okay. Baby pup. I had it laying there. I was moving the trolling motor.
You just picked it up.
And I picked it up and was on it.
The flight on film was a little tight. We're just nibbling on it, getting on it tonight. You think I slowed down a little bit.
Yep. Alright, this is number 2, y'all. I'm trying to get them in the sunshine. He's probably 14 inches. Oh, did you see that? That was pretty cool. Number 2. River. Come on, buddy. Do you need a net? Okay. I'm going to leave that laying right there. I'm going to walk. Good, man. Well, if our net is not... Our net is in place now. It seems like you got a good one, buddy. He must be fouled. What is that?
It's a mullet.
Nuh-uh.
It's a mullet. It's a mullet.
Good night. That's a big mullet, dude. You snagged him. Look at that. Is that what they also call a round head?
No, round head's like whiting.
Okay. He just ran into it. I'm still in the water. Let me get my stuff out of here. All right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to let us lean up against this, and that'll keep us while you manipulate the fish and get our video. Alright, you are out. So that's good. Alright, so just let us lean right up against it. Perfect. Look at the size of this mullet, y'all. Now, you didn't catch it in the mouth.
You got a rag on you?
A rag? I don't have a rag on me.
Like a little bee or nothing.
Yeah, I'll get him. Come here, Gooby. Look how strong this dude is.
That's a big mullet.
Put a ruler on him. He's like a baby striper or something, man. 19 inches. Make sure your video's
I'm recording, yeah.
up.
Yeah, I got some. Nice.
Oh, look at the size of that dude. Alright, you're not doing nothing with him, are you?
Nah.
Somebody said they eat them. Yeah. Look at that. Look.
Look. Ladies and gentlemen, that's why I don't like grabbing mullet. Yeah, nasty.
That's the scales. Yep. Got him. Right under the boat, dude. Yes. The trout! Trout, it's a trout, it's a trout. It's a big trout, dude.
That's a mammoth trout.
That's a trout right there. That's a trout right there, buddy.
I was like, please don't catch a pole again.
That's a trout there, my friend. That's my biggest trout of the year.
Bottom or you hit you coming up?
Bottom.
Go ahead, do it.
Yes, sir.
Oh, nice. That was a good hit, too.
Ouch. He bit me, scrub.
I got pliers and needles.
I just need him to let it go. Of course, it doesn't help that I'm trying to hold him upside down. All right, you're not going anywhere, Chief. You're mine.
22-ish.
Let it go. It's in his nose. That's a nice one, buddy. I can't even get him in. I had to hold him upside down. He's so big. All right. That was cool. He was out there in the middle. He's going in the live well, buddy. Right, man. Give me some again. Nice. Got him. Alright, I think we're done back here, buddy. Let me see if I can get us out of here. Where you at? You got somebody? Talk to me. Ho, ho, ho.
I didn't know I did.
What you said? Oh, no. Is it a mullet again?
Oh, yeah, I just lifted up.
What are you doing? Why do you keep snagging the mullets, man? He caught a fish. You did what you're supposed to, right? We're fighting the wind. We're running into stuff.
Something bit him. How come my foot did all that damage?
I don't know. You're kind of rough with a fish. Pick them up with your pliers, with the hook, and then snatch them. You won't have to touch them. You know what I mean? Yeah, we're just going to lay here until you get that off. But look, just take it, when you grab it, hold it over and shake them loose. Outside, that way you ain't gotta pick them up. Yeah, your boots all. Hold them over and shake it, and there you go. Off he goes, man. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for us. We started off on Elizabeth River. We caught nothing. Some guy pulled up on his depth finder. He saw some fish, casted twice, caught a striper. We didn't catch any striper. So I said, let's go over to Rudy Inlet and see if we can get on anything there. We got on 2 puppy drum, 1 speckled trout, and Boogie snagged 2 mullet. What do you think?
What can you say? It's fishing, not catching.
That's right. Well, you were catching. You're just snagging them.
Yeah, snagging, yeah.
Snagging, not catching.
Fouling.
That's right. Well, guys, thank y'all so much for watching. We'll see y'all later.
Peace. Fouling fish.